Right now we're doing the job at 2896 Fulton Street, you know? That's in Brooklyn. Fulton Street?
Fulton Street.
Yeah.
Why do you walk so close to the camera? You just go walk past the...
No, let me start this over.
Okay.
Let me start this over. Let me start this over again. Come on.
Okay, one more time.
One take, yeah.
Back.
Well, you want to just do the introduction.
I got to start over too?
Yeah, you got to start over again. Share, like, and follow. I just go on the floor.
You say it on every video. Share, like, what's like and follow?
Share, like, and follow.
I understand, but what is liking and what is following?
Like the work that Harris does.
But how do you like it?
Like how you like it? Pick up the phone. You got a water main leak. You understand me?
While Jackman figures out the meaning of like, comment, and subscribe, I'm going to take you guys to Cypress Hills, where this week the guys are working on a fire sprinkler replacement for a restaurant owner.
What's up, y'all? This is Ari. Thank you guys for getting this deep in the video. If you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed yet, it's very weird of you to not do that. You should probably do that by now. Give it a like, pause the video, comment, subscribe, do all those fun things.
As is usual on most of our 3-day jobs, day 1 is when the guys dig out, and day 2 is when the guys start piping.
Frank,
Yeah.
how you been?
Great.
We haven't seen you on a video in a while.
Yeah, keeping a low profile, man.
Keeping a low profile?
Yeah.
He said he doesn't want the fame to get too big.
No.
He doesn't want the groupies to follow him everywhere.
You know, can't take your harassment, man.
You know, I saw, you know, with your viral, you guys having a viral TikTok recently. I think it's about time this crew looks at representation, at management.
That's okay.
So, after this train passes by, tell us. I had asked you a question about our inside connection here, and I feel like this is a question other homeowners and business owners are going to ask. So, we don't do the rest of the connection here, do we?
No, because what really happened, this is a plumber job. That plumber, most likely, doesn't have a license to work in the street. So, he subcontractors. We get a contract, we work in the street, we bring the pipe in, we install new pipe, 4-inch pipe, from the city main to the inside of the wall and in the basement.
Today, we are introducing a new segment called the Daily Grind or the Work Grind. Tell us at home, Daily Grind or Work Grind, which one do you guys think is a better name? Still trying it out, still testing it. But this is a segment that you guys have probably seen before. It doesn't really have a name yet, but we're gonna try something with the guys. I'm gonna be dropping in as I do and bringing them a surprise. I mean, we all know what the surprise is. It's coffee. And the guys and I are going to rate the coffee 1 out of 5 on taste, on color, on consistency. I like, right, where do we rate coffee, right? Do we go all the way to the sommelier? Do we, like, you know, slop it around? Or straight taste test 1 through 5? So today I'm gonna start by letting Jackman come out the truck. So what's up?
What's popping?
You ready to wrap this job up today?
In a minute, you
You guys are
understand
gonna wrap
me?
this up pretty soon.
I was on my 15-minute break, you understand me? Company policies. All the parties are required to take a 15-minute break and they lunch, you know what I'm saying?
Let's see if there's coffee near me. There are no coffee shops in Cypress Hills. So our options right now, we've got a McDonald's, we've got a Dunkin', and maybe I find a bodega. Today we're going to Costa del Sol Deli Corp on Fulton. I assume they have coffee, but let's go see. Let's hope they do. If not, I'll cry until they make me some.
A nice Colombian mild coffee.
Nice Colombian mild coffee.
Yeah.
Good. So what, taste-wise, 1 out of 5, what would you give it?
1 out of 5, I'll give you like maybe a 4.
Our star of the hour. Great. So give us a on-screen sip, and give us your review.
Yeah, coffee is good.
Okay, but like we need a 1 out of 5.
I give it a 4.
4? Okay.
Yeah, I
2
give it a
4s.
4. Yeah.
Sorry, one more time. Go ahead and attack the good people. Attack the good people at Costa del Sor's Coffee.
Yeah, you try to bribe me with a 50-cent coffee. I only drink Starbucks. I'm high class.
So, to everyone in Cypress Hills, Jackman says that you must build a Starbucks for him.
Can't see 6 a.m. They ain't gonna give me a 50-cent.
Like I said, if there's one thing that I learned at my time at Harris so far, there's nothing I can do to make these crews happy. But we have a very happy restaurant owner whose fire sprinkler system was completely replaced front to back from the street all the way inside the restaurant. Now our guys are doing their backfill, and I think they're gonna have an early day today, which I know they're very excited to enjoy this weather. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go enjoy the weather. You guys do the same. As always, you know what to do at the bottom. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys around in the next one. Bye. Peace.